4x4 time here. 1978 Ford F250 Custom. Regular cab long box. Now this particular truck was with the previous owner for 23 years. Kind of was his fun truck, used a little bit for work, hauling some things in the back. Otherwise it was kind of his toy. He decided it was time to get himself a sports car. Actually traded it in on a little later model Camaro. A little history behind it. Has had a repaint along the way as far as the black exterior. Does have a brown cloth interior, bench seat. Underneath the hood, 400 V8 paired up with a 4-speed manual transmission. Now if you want to check out the still pictures so you can see the under hood pics, engine bay, underside, interior, check out all the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. See, the truck's pretty straight. I mean, you take a black truck that's this long, look up and down the side of it, you see the truck's pretty darn straight. I have not noticed a bunch of, bubbling, anything like that up along above the wheel wells. Cab corners down below. I mean, granted, I'm sure you're going to have some imperfections here and there on it just due to the age, but you can see the paint's got a luster to it. See the reflection coming off of it. Riding on American racing wheels. Rubber on this one practically like new. Sorry about the glare there with black. It's kind of tough with the light sometimes here. The bed has been used. Like I said, he did use it to haul some things. Got a toy and a work truck a little bit together. And again, you can see the still pictures. Got the box, the underside, and all that. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. You can consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Pretty nicely equipped too. Power steering, power brakes. Does have some equipment on it too, so it's not just a base work truck. All right, take a look down the driver's side of this too. Again, you get black on a surface that's that long. Lots of times you can see some waves, things that are uneven, let's put it that way. They show up easy on that black. This one, again, looks pretty good up and down the side of it. We're going to start it up and fire it up too, so you can hear that 400 run. All right, let's see if I can do this one-handed. Did have a crack in the dash. I want to point that out. Other than that, headliner's good, and I'll show you that when I hop back out. We'll take a little closer look at the seats. I did have the radio working, has an aftermarket Kenwood in it. Did have the wipers working also. Speaking of which, we'll turn that radio down a second. Did notice the tack was not working on it. There was an aftermarket oil pressure gauge down here and temp gauge, so I'm assuming those aren't working on the dash. Odometer reads 45,812. Can't confirm or deny if that's original or not. Since the truck's so old, it will not be recorded on the title. All right, take a look at the seat. So you got a vinyl and cloth seat here. Not full of rips and tears in the cloth there at all. Seat belts, obviously. There was a little one down in the vinyl here, I noticed. Headliner. Door closes nicely. Slip around to the back. And little dual exhaust. A little bit of rumble coming out of that 400. 400 V8 underneath the hood with that 4-speed manual transmission. I'm going to go ahead and pause this a second. We'll pop that hood, take a look underneath there. Pretty much what you'd expect from a stock 78. Notice there's an Edelbrock carb on there. Let's take a look at it. All right, we got a little dress up on it anyway. Edelbrock chrome valve covers, and like I said, Edelbrock carburetor. Power steering, power brakes. And again, looking pretty stocked, besides a few of those aftermarket things. Underside of the hood also painted. Sorry about that glare again there. So let's shade that a little bit for you. So there's the 400. Sounds like a pretty nice running engine. So there you go, 1978 Ford F250 Custom. Regular cab, long box, big tires and rims on it. Want a cool 4x4, here you go. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Down below this video in the description there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right to our website where you check out all the still pictures. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist with transportation. And of course, this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.